Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a really simple one. It's summer holidays. It's so hot in the kitchen. But it's not the heat, but because it's summer holidays, kids are around and I want to make something which is so simple that the kids can make themselves. So if you have a teenager at home, or if you're a new cook, or you just like good food, this is the recipe that you must try. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button so you get a notification every time I share a new recipe, which is twice a week. So lots of new recipes coming to you all the time. So I'm going to start with one medium-sized onion, or some might call it large. I just love using a lot of onion in my dishes. I'm just going to chop them up quite roughly because I just want an easy, quick meal. Actually, I found that one was not enough, so I've chopped up 2 onions now. And then just heat up a pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and then go in all the chopped up onions. And now I'm just going to cook this on good low to medium heat and just let it turn nice and golden. And meanwhile, I'm going to prep up the garlic. I've got 3 fat garlic cloves, and I find the best way to peel them is just chop off the heads, smash them with the knife, and then the skin just kind of drops off. So that I find really simple, and once that is done, I'm going to chop them up finely. And the onions right now are looking beautifully golden and they smell really lovely. I'm going to add the garlic and then cook for another minute. Next, I'm going to add a tin of chopped tomatoes. You can use fresh as well. If you're using fresh, use 4 chopped up tomatoes. Just add the whole tin, mix it up well, and then I am going to just cover and cook this on low heat for around 10 minutes, just because it becomes mushy. And in the time, I'm going to cook some rice with some cumin in it to serve with the chicken curry. So let's check the tomatoes. They are looking really nicely done. A bit stuck, but that's absolutely fine. And I can next add in all the spices. So a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon, actually 2 teaspoons of ground coriander, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Once all of them are in, just give it a real good mix. Add 2 tablespoons of kasuri methi, dried fenugreek. If you don't have this, just skip it because there is no kind of alternative to this. And I'm just going to change my chopping board. I use a different one for vegetables and a separate one for chicken. And I have got this pack of 9 chicken thighs. For you guys, I'm using boneless chicken thighs because a lot of you don't want to cook chicken on the bone. So I thought this chicken curry I'll make with boneless chicken. Also, it's much quicker to cook the curries if you are using boneless chicken. I'm just chopping them up into kind of 1.5-inch size pieces, and I'm also going to peel and chop potato. I always use Desiree potatoes or red potatoes because I love that they are really lovely all-rounders and they taste amazing. And the masala is ready, so I'm going to add all the potatoes and all the chicken, and they are kind of similar size, so they should take kind of same time to cook together. The pieces are in. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of natural yogurt. You could use Greek yogurt as well if that is what you have at home. Give it a real good mix, and a yogurt is going to help it cook it nice and soft, but at the same time I love the kind of texture and taste yogurt adds to a curry as well. Just added 200 ml of water and a good heaped teaspoon of chili powder. If you don't like very spicy food, you can skip it, or you can even add fresh red or green chilies according to your personal choice and preference, and all I've got to do is cover and cook this on low heat for around half an hour. If you want, you could stir it halfway through, and my rice is ready as well, piping hot. I love a kind of simple cumin rice, absolutely delicious. And our chicken curry is ready. It looks so good, but I can just tell you how amazing this smells. Absolutely beautiful. But of course, I have to add a lot of coriander because I just absolutely love the flavor of coriander in a chicken curry. And I'm also going to add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of cream, double cream, heavy cream, whatever you call it, and just let it simmer for a couple of minutes. And look at that glorious pan full of chicken potato curry. Delicious. Oh my god, it smells insane and it looks so inviting. I have got some of my kids' friends over for dinner, and this is going to be perfect. I've got that rice ready here, and I've got the chicken here. I am going to taste it. I can't not tell you how this is. So some rice. I don't want the potatoes, so I'm just going to have some chicken. God, it's so hot. Look at that. That's the kids laughing upstairs. This is delicious. Oh my god, so good. You know, if you cook at home, then you would always have tin tomatoes, a few onions, and I have used absolutely basic spices. If you cook Indian food, then you would have them at home. The only thing you'd have to buy fresh is some chicken, and it is just delicious. All the flavors marrying together, super simple. That looks very inviting. I'm going to serve it to the kids, and I hope you will try this too. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you very soon with another new recipe. Oh my god, this is so good.